Where's it at, man? I can't find it, Dad. Where's my crack at? Where's my crack at? God, Joe, you fucker! Hey, it's Honor, man. Yeah, and I'm bust out some shit for you. Back on crack, just like that. And I'm proud I can be back at my dad's a pedophile. He'll wreck this country after a while. Don't believe anything that I say. I'm looking on the floor for my crack today, 'cause I'm back. Where's Dad? He can't remember, and that's fucking bad. Oh well, we're in hell. Need to be in a getting motel, and I do not care. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Mow. Don't tell Mow. I said, back, Dad. Can I have some more crack? 'Cause it's gone like that. Where the fuck's it at? I don't know. Where's the kids? I mean, my special one. What the hell you think is I mean when I fucking say I'm a pedophile? My name's Hunter AA. What the hell do you think I lied? I ain't like my dad. Suicide. He does not care what he does. Wreck this country 'cause he's the boss of himself and his own pants. I don't care, Dad, where the fucking sex. I forgot I'm looking for crack. What the hell? Yeah, that's right, Hunter's back. Back on crack. Where's it at? Where's it at? Fine. Dad, did you still wait with the election results? Damn it, Dad. Where's my crack at? Oh. I don't know, son. Come on, man. Oh, fuck you, Dad. Like everyone else said, fuck you, Biden. Yeah. That's right. Where's your crack? We don't care, fucking wherever it's at. Oh man, nobody cares, man. No one cares. Where's his crack? Where's my crack? Where's my crack? Where's my crack at? Say, where's my crack at? Where's my crack at? Where's my crack? Where the fuck's it at? Hunter Biden. We don't know. You better ask your fucking brother's father, Joe. We don't give a fuck where you fucking go. You be and get my